to talk about Builderall's affiliate program, how to make money with it, and what has changed. A few things actually have changed, but I want to talk about it in today's video. Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that has over 40 tools for your business or for any type of business whatsoever, online or offline. You can make money in so many ways with this tool, but what I actually want to talk about today is the affiliate program. It hasn't really changed. However, you no longer become an automatic affiliate with a free account. With that said, it's not impossible to get approved. I'm going to give you a few hints on what you can actually do. I'm going to give you some ideas. In order for you to become an affiliate of Builderall, you have to apply for the affiliate program if you're on the free account. When you go ahead and upgrade to the Funnel Club and the premium membership, you do become an affiliate automatically. That is the only thing that has changed about the affiliate program. You are still earning 100% commission on your first sale and then a recurring income of 30% every single month as long as that person stays signed on to Builderall. Builderall also has a two-tier affiliate structure, which means that you also earn 30% commissions from your leads sales as well. There are plenty of people making thousands of dollars every month using this affiliate program and also using all of the tools that are inside of Builderall. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing, you're creating your own courses, you can host videos, webinars, create a chatbot agency, you can create a website agency. The list just goes on how you can make money with this tool. It is really a great way to start your business online, and everybody needs these tools. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and give you a few ideas on how to use the tools to make money as well. And it's really not that difficult because all of the training is already inside of Builderall. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, my friends, so I'm gonna leave this link down below. You can go ahead and check out this page. When you actually sign up to this, you will get Builderall for 30 days for $1, okay? And you'll get access to all of the tools. Now, we're actually going to go ahead and check out the affiliate area right now. So just come up here to where it says affiliate, and you can check it out for yourself. Now, this affiliate page right here is basically for the launch, the Builderall 4.0 launch that started in October. If you're watching this after October, this affiliate section is probably going to look different because that is when this launch is over. However, the same rules are going to apply when it comes to becoming an affiliate of Builderall. When you actually go ahead and sign up for the $1, you'll have access to everything for 30 days. Let's come over to my Builderall back office. This is what it looks like for me. These are all of the tools that I have on my dashboard. If you come up here to where it says apps, you actually have a list of everything, and you can add them to your dashboard as you see fit. You can add the ones that you use the most. With this tool, you can create websites, landing pages, build sales funnels, and also email marketing. So you are saving a ton of money every single month on tools. Everything is all in one, all included on here. Even if you're doing e-commerce, if you're selling physical products, it would take me a very long time to show you all the tools that are on here. You don't have to go anywhere else. House your own course on here. You can host your videos on here. You don't have to pay a separate price for Wistia or Vimeo. There's even a webinar tool in here, so you can create your webinars here as well. You don't have to pay for Webinar Jam or any other webinar platform. Everything is already on here. Email marketing platform with unlimited subscribers. I was paying $70 a month for Aweber. They increased the price on me without even telling me. These other tools, they will change their prices on you and not even tell you that they're doing so. They will just charge you, okay? So that is what I love about this, is that you lock in the price that you come in and you have everything you need. You don't need to pay for anything else, which is amazing. You also get all the training you need. Let me show you something right here. Digital marketing for local business with Bridget. This is an amazing course as well. If we actually click on this, if you want to create an online website agency, this lady right here is amazing, and she will show you exactly how to do that. You can get clients, build them a website. There's no coding or anything. You can charge whatever you want, and she shows you everything. She shows you exactly what to do. There is a Facebook group that she runs. You can join the Facebook group, start taking the course, and this is available for you right here inside of Builderall. There's also a digital marketing for physical products by Jackie DeClerc. Click on that one, and this is also another course. There's another specialist that works right here for Builderall, and she has also a course right inside of this platform. You can join the Facebook group, join the community. If you have any questions, she can answer them. You also get digital marketing for product launch. You can even schedule a coaching call right here. It's just so much. There's also digital marketing for info products here. So if you want to create your own online course, which I talk about a lot because it's a great way to monetize, if you have anything that you are knowledgeable, passionate about, you can put that into a course. And right here, this gentleman shows you exactly how to do that right here with Builderall. And you also join this Facebook community as well. There's a lot of information already. Let me show you just a very simple way that you can make money with this as an affiliate. So we're going into the funnel club. If we actually go to these niche funnels right here and enter, now there are all types of funnels inside of Builderall that you can download and use. Now this one is for a dentist, this one is for a photographer, this one is for a real estate agent, tutor. How can you make money with these, okay? These are actually here for you to give away to these businesses. Yes, I just said give them away. All right, so you want to give these funnels away. Let's go ahead and preview one of these, okay? For example, so this is a pizza delivery or restaurant. You can edit this however you like. If you want to even edit this, you actually don't even have to. You can download this into your Cheetah Funnel Builder. And what you actually do with this is built for you to give away to these businesses. And what you do is you give them away with your affiliate link. They will create a free account, and what you want to do is you transfer these right to them, and then the business owner can actually edit this exactly how he wants it. And if they really like it and they say, hey, I really need this, I need to put my domain on this, my .com, what they have to do is then upgrade. They have to upgrade to a premium account for that, all right? So that's why these actual funnels are here. If you don't want to do it that way, what you can do is you can edit this yourself with the business information already in here. But these funnels are designed to convert that business so that they can do it themselves. You don't have to, you can do it for them as well. That's a service that you can offer separately, okay? Now we can go ahead and check out the agency funnels. And this is all with the Funnel Club. There are a lot more options on here as well. You have barbershop, you have landscaper, cleaning service, you have personal trainer. These are already done for you, and you can start your own agency. You can do it for them. So if you create a website agency with Builderall, you don't want to actually do all the work yourself. I mean, it's really not a lot of work. A lot of the stuff is already done for you. You can come over here and search for Builderall. As you can see, there are people who are designing websites and building websites over here on Fiverr. You can choose someone on here. If they charge $100, all you have to do is charge more than that to your customer. Now make sure you are very transparent, and you have to first contact one of these people and make sure that they can do the job and they can do it by the due date. So you have to communicate before you purchase anything from here. Make sure that everything is all good with your client, okay? Because sometimes these clients don't have time to actually deal with any of this. They just say, yeah, I want the website, but I don't actually want to design it myself or do it myself. So this is another way for you to make really good money, and you don't even have to actually do the work. You have so many options here. There are so many things that you can do already. All right, so when you go ahead down below and you sign up for your $1 trial, after you sign up, the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here to where it says knowledge base and click on knowledge base. because right here is all of the information of all the meetings and trainings that they have every single week. And you want to start joining these Facebook groups, all of these Facebook groups, okay? Very, very important. And you can also keep up with the blog because it's very helpful. There's access to the YouTube channel, Builderall Assistant, event calendar, branding kit, resource board. So there are a lot of resources on here for you to use. If we click on affiliates, let's go over here to the side where it says onboarding and click on onboarding. Onboarding, this is like a welcome. So you actually want to go ahead and check that out as well. Here's everything again, the Facebook communities, get a better view of what Builderall's digital marketing platform is. You can check this out as well. 200 things you can do with Builderall. And you can come over here to learn more about the Funnel Club and ready to go systems you already have to run your business online. It'll explain the Funnel Club, the 2-tier affiliate business, the website agency, and chatbot templates. It'll go over that with you. Chatbots are very profitable. You can charge $500 to $1,500 just for one. And they are already available on here with the Funnel Club. So that is pretty amazing. And if you want to talk to the CEO, you can actually call him on WhatsApp and you just have to give him a few hours because he's pretty busy. And this is actually a last resort, they said. So if you really need to talk to him, you can, which is pretty cool. So you have everything that you need to get started. You have training, you have the knowledge base. We actually go to training and go to top affiliate training. Click on that. And what you get here is some affiliate training. And actually what I want to show you on here is that you scroll down and come over here to access the Trello board. These are all assets and materials that you can use to promote Builderall as an affiliate. So you can use all of these things. They have email templates already that you can actually start using for yourself. And they also show you all of the emails that Builderall is sending. So this is just full of information that you can start using right now. They have a ton of assets for you. When you apply for the affiliate program, if you don't already have the Funnel Club, so let's say you have a free account for Builderall, but you're not an affiliate, you haven't been approved. So here are some tips. Go ahead and create some content. It doesn't have to be about Builderall. It could be about anything, but if you actually create a YouTube channel where you have a few review videos and you're actually trying to market, or you have a Facebook page that you're trying to market, actually create something, and this is free. You can create your thumbnails on Canva. You can search any of these things, put up a few review videos, actually have some content out there. And this way, once you apply to become a Builderall affiliate, they will see that you are trying and that you're actually actively right now creating content, okay? Put up a few videos on your channel. They're seeing that you're getting started with something. If you have absolutely no content out there, they're probably not going to accept you. So that is one tip that I have for you, and they'll see that you're trying. Now, the CEO of Builderall himself said he's not asking for you to have thousands upon thousands of followers. He's asking for people that are actually doing affiliate marketing and they are working and they're going to need to use these tools. This is what I think he's looking for, and this is something that could help you actually get accepted into the affiliate program and beyond. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.